Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're starting this 3-car with baseboards. And as you can see, we're already well into the grind. And this is actually a 2-step process that we're doing on the floor of the garage. But in the meantime, while we have the big floor grinder going, we definitely have a couple of different things going on. So there's 3 of us, so we kind of have to leapfrog around each other in different places and try to stay out of each other's way. So as you can see here, the edges are ground in. Here you can see we started to grind the baseboards and get them prepped up ready. So the first step with the floor grinder was to do a PCD grinding, and that's going to remove the cure and seal cap. And now on this side of the garage, we've already started the diamond grinding, and you can see where that floor is getting back down to the actual concrete, and it's getting a good prep for our epoxy application. Here's our finished project. Job looks beautiful. Very happy with the way this floor turned out. This job has the optional baseboard and also an optional apron. Here's what the baseboard looks like. Really gives the floor a neat finished look. Here are some details around the fixture. Now we sanded and filled the control joints. That's why we have this nice looking seamless surface. This was a full diamond grinding. We removed the cure and seal coating. Got back down to bare concrete, put down an industrial grade epoxy, and into that a full broadcast of domino color chips. Domino is a very simple blend of just black, white, and gray. Very neutral. And you can see with these bright white walls, reflects a lot of light, looks really good. You'll see it better down here in the sun. Now again, this had the optional apron done. That's an optional, and so is the baseboards. Appreciate the top coat here, the polyaspartic top coat. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.